Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your device supports Dynamic Island and installing any OS updates. Once done, back up your settings so you can restore quickly if needed. Next, open Settings and navigate to Display and Control Center. Make sure permissions are granted for notifications and live activities. If you plan deeper customization, enable developer or accessibility options now, because those unlock additional toggles. This prepares you to make immediate changes without stumbling over missing prerequisites or permissions, and you now configure the core behavior. Open Dynamic Island settings and set live activity priorities for apps you use most. Then, tune animation intensity and notification timeouts so alerts stay visible long enough without being intrusive. Make sure to set privacy previews to hide sensitive content when needed. This balances convenience versus confidentiality. After that, assign tap and long press actions to the apps you want on the island, and test each mapping by triggering notifications and live activities, so you verify the interactions work as intended. You finish by restarting the device to ensure the Dynamic Island applies all settings cleanly. Then, test common workflows: music, calls, timers, and navigation. If an app misbehaves, go to its app settings, reset Dynamic Island permissions, and reassign actions. This solves most conflicts. Make sure to check for interference from other UI tweaks or third-party launchers. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or review system logs to isolate the issue. This approach gets you stable behavior and a reliable troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.